What to do, what to do, what to do. I'm so bored. Kristy? We are at Pillars of Sabah. If you guys can see, it's right there. That's the sign. Dude, we're only a few steps up and I'm already tired. Me, Kristy, so we reached to the top. This is mine? Yeah, it's yours. Apparently. Another thing, don't forget to bring your water because water is, well, why are we over? But first, water.
Oh, I loved it. I actually moved my trip 3 days earlier so that I could actually make it here.
I really liked the market. I know it was the end, but the market was great.
Go. I found out through Instagram.
Oh,
Yeah, I did. I found out through Instagram.
Oh, we
Yeah,
will.
do it. It's worth even coming here just to do the tour.
Really funny.
He's the guy who brought us around. So, yeah, thank you to him.
Always, thank you for coming.
So if you guys want to have this experience, I suggest you guys to go and register online. The link is down below and you guys can go and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Go!